Today we're going to talk about how to do a barbell squat and just a few tips that I think are going to help you out. Okay, so number one, when you get under the bar, just like in any other move that we've talked about, you want to pull your shoulder blades back and down and make sure that that bar is resting a little bit lower than the base of your neck. Otherwise, it's going to feel really uncomfortable on your neck. It might be hitting that bone there and you're not going to feel good. So pull those muscles back, let them pop out, and then you'll have the bar sit on those muscles. You can step back a little bit. For foot placement, generally I like to have my feet just a little bit further than my shoulders. Okay, and I'm just going to turn the toes out a little bit. If you're feeling any pressure on your knees, you can also try to take the stance out a little more or turn the toes out a little bit further. Now you want to make sure that you're keeping the chest up, so you don't want to start to fold downwards. If it helps, you can look up to the ceiling. Okay, so forward looking, either at the mirror or up to the ceiling. You're going to come down to 90 degrees. Make sure you're pressing through the whole foot. We don't need to go lower than 90 degrees, especially when we're just getting started with this move. We don't need to hurt the quads or the low back. You want to get to a point where you can feel the glute and hamstring activation, press through the whole foot, follow through, and come back up to center. Hope that helps. Give it a try.